Kajala Megalaya Hadoka Shibaji Minsingi Junka Arp Kandai Unailar Ahaja Arpo, Gladan South Pulangur Kibio Thamayo COVID-19 but new Punyongur Kibla Koidna. Director DHS MI Dr. Amanwar Ulapante Banakini South Pulangur Kibio Thamai, Arpandregur Kidena East Castles District, Hakaba Iwe Denaka Armed Force, but Arbasangur Kiriu Paidba. Armwood Kidi Kiriu Paidba na South Garo Hills District, but Katsanwood na West Garo Hills District, Kibakantup Yahinyowood Naka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Prangwood Kiriu Paidba. Nagini ki nyop nyongur ki bakoj mentagasngi arpuingur ki dena East Castles District, Iwe na North Garo Hills District, Katprangur na Riboy District, but Laipinyogur na West Garo Hills District. Dakajingo thamai kini ki South Pulangur but kajingko no kini ki nyop nyongur Kajala Megalaya hadu bapinbi yakani ka kubor kadan Araja aspa prapulaitali ki positive case, Shiaja aspa laipu pratali ki active case, Shiaja laipusantali ki recovered case but chipongur ki blaklat no. Nakini ki Shiajar aspa laipu pratali ki active case ke East Castles District kadan praspa khandai photali Hagaba arspa andrepu prangur ki naka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force but andreuspa arpu arngur ki paidba ka West Castles District kadan saupu sautali ki active case Riboy District sanpu ar Hagaba sangur ki naka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force but saupu nyongur ki paidba ka West Jainte Hills District kadan artali East Jainte Hills District khatsan West Garo Hills shispa laipandreu Hakaba nyupu prangur ki naka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force but sanpu prangur ki paidba ka Southwest Garo Hills District kadan laitali ki active case ka South Garo Hills kadan khatlai Hakaba khatwaingur ki naka Armed Force but arngut na ki paidba ka East Garo Hills District kadan nyopu waitali but ka North Garo Hills kadan khat artali ki active case.
The number of new cases is 43. East Castles Hills 26. Out of this 26, 25 are from the others category and one is from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces category. South Garo Hills 2, West Garo Hills 15, 7 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces category and 8 from the others category. The number of total active cases is 1,238 and out of this 1,238, 890 are in East Castles Hills and out of this 890, 268 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces and from the others category 622. West Castles Hills 44, Riboy 52, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 5 and from the others category 47. West Jainte Hills 2, East Jainte Hills 15, West Garo Hills 136, out of which Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces is 78 and others category is 58. Southwest Garo Hills 3, South Garo Hills 13, 11 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces and the others category 2. East Garo Hills 71, North Garo Hills 12. The number of recovered cases today is 77. East Castles Hills 21. Out of this 21, 17 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces and 4 are from the others category. North Garo Hills 1, Riboy 18, 2 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces category and 16 are from the others category. West Garo Hills 37, 28 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces category and 9 are from the others category. The total number of recovered cases stands at 1,035 and the total number of deaths is 10. The number of samples sent for testing as of today till 2 p.m. is 86,214. and the total number of persons who tested negative is 83,499, and the number of test results awaited is 432 approximately, and the number of people who entered the state till 2 p.m. today is 32,009.